Hi, good morning. My name is Franklin. Our company name is Teratak Selera. Teratak Selera is a restaurant that serves the variety of the catfish-based dishes. Okay, our company producing the delicious and the halal dishes, especially for the customer that like the village food. Teratak Selera main objective is to earn the profit and provide excellent and quality service. Okay, our company start operating at January 2020. We open every day from Monday to Sunday at 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Our location is at Alam Mesra, Jalan Selaman, 88400 Kota Kinabalu. Okay, our capital that we use to open business is 100,000, which is 50 from our personal cash and the 50 from the loan. Company vision is introducing and upholding rich traditional from various Sabah ethnic group around the world. Mission of company is providing and ensuring the service of the Teratak Selera are always the co-front of providing the quality service. Okay, the objective of company is to earn the profit, survive the best services. Business is advanced and growing, and discovery new market and the customer. Next is the description of product. First one is our company is serve the local recipe from the ikan patin. Second one is the high protein and without the carbohydrate. Third is the halal. Our product is halal, clean and very quality. And the last one is the reasonable price. Next is the SWOT analysis. Our strengths is have a special menu that we have a recipe like ikan patin. The third one is we have a strategic place in operating our business. Third one is the price of our restaurant is the quite cheap than other restaurant. Okay, our weakness is the not suitable for some people that don't like ikan patin or recipe from the ikan patin. Second is the brands is less numerous. Okay, our company opportunity is favorite for young people and the local who like the village food. Our second opportunity is the brand increasing, bring the customer and easy to reach our restaurant. Okay, the threat of our company is the lot of the competition out there and raising the unstable price.
Assalamualaikum and have a good day. My name is Fazlia binti Hermandiansa and I will explain 4.0 operation or production plan. For 4.1 process flowchart in restaurant Teratak Selera, we use 3 activity, which first is walk-in for customer go to the restaurant, second buffet, and the third outside reservation. And 4.2 production schedule. In a year, we predict for sales year 1 93,000, which means 585,840 ringgit, and will increment in 15% in year 2 and 20% in year 3. For material requirement planning, we consume that a month we will spend 16,750 ringgit for material, and power requirement planning we predict in 3 years, year 1 in 11 employees, year 2 13 employees, and year 3 16 employees. For machine and equipment, we did for machine and equipment in restaurant Teratak Selera. And for operation restaurant layout, for a restaurant that value customer satisfaction by providing good service. So to ensure the goes well, the layout of a restaurant is very important. Teratak Selera has 39 tables with 60 chairs. For combined table, the 2 above are for the client himself or with friend. For combined table 3, for a family set or for large group. The cashier counter is placed at the top right, facilitate customer payment. And for business location, we choose Alam Mesra. Is located on the main road between the city of Kota Kinabalu and Sepangga district, which attracts Jalan UMS. The location of restaurant is away to Kota Kinabalu city, and also there is near in UMS. So Alam Mesra is about 12 kilometers away from Kota Kinabalu. So the place is strategic. And previous map, Alam Mesra is a rapidly developing part of the city. The shop will operate in a shop building near the office and housing area not far from the shop, which is behind the NBUC College, which contains about 560 houses. And Teratak Selesa will have many visitors because the place is strategic to customer. And 4.8 operation cost. So we consume in a month, we spend around 41,355 ringgit. And for gross profit 4,715 ringgit, variable cost at ringgit and 27 cent, and for markup is 11.40%. And for national budget, we spend around 65,690 ringgit, which non-current asset and run capital.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Fazlina binti Yahya and I will continue for the next presentation for the part of marketing plan. For business restaurant of Teratak Selera use 4P marketing strategy, which is product, price, promotions and place. For the product, we use ikan patin as our main product of Teratak Selera restaurants. Why we use ikan patin as our main product? Ikan patin, we decide to use ikan patin because we want to make another different of main menus in the restaurants. For the price, of course, our restaurant strategy is setting affordable price for our customer. The price of our main menu is from 12 ringgit to 14. We also provide dessert for RM 1 ringgit per unit and drinks from 1 ringgit and 50 cents to RM 6 ringgit, and it depends on the menus. For the place, we used to open the Teratak Selera restaurants in Alam Mesra town, Kota Kinabalu. Teratak Selera target market not just for Sabahan people but also for everyone, especially the customers from Semenanjung. As we all know, Kota Kinabalu is a famous city in Sabah. There are a lot of people who come from Semenanjung and had staying in Kota Kinabalu are one of the target customers for our restaurants. Alam Mesra is one of a small city that nearly to the One Borneo shopping mall in Sepangga. It is good to open the restaurant near to the One Borneo shopping mall. Not just Teratak Selera target customer from the local but also from others country. And most of Sabahan people love spicy food, and all the Teratak Selera's main menu will definitely can loved by everyone, especially the local Sabahan people. For the promotions, we use media social as our platform to promoting our product. We are promoting our product through advertising in social media. As we know, most of people nowadays have their own social media. Therefore, advertising on social media is very effective, and we are using attractive poster and unique copywriting in order to attract the customer.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rosita Binti Usama. Today I will present financial plan. First is project implementation cost. Total capital expenditure is 57,000. For monthly expense, 25,910, and other expense 203,070. So total cost is 104,070. For funds and source, equity contribution and our first cash is 50,000. Our external resource is for loan is 50,000 and for hire purchase is 25,000. Next is pro forma profit and loss account. Okay, for our first year sales is 585,480, and our cost of goods sold is 496,260. So our gross profit is 89,220, and minus our total expenses which is 64,120. So our net profit for the first year is 25,100. Next is balance sheet. Our total non-current asset is 47,140. Current asset is 102,960. So total asset is 150,100, and total shareholder equity is capital 50,000, net profit 25 and 100,000. Current liabilities is 5,000 and non-current liabilities is 70,000. So total equity in liability is 150,100. Lastly, break-even point in units for our main dishes. Fixed cost is 39,560, and our sales price per unit is 14 ringgit, and our variable cost is 8 ringgit and 27 cents. So our total break-even point in units is 6,904 units. This means our restaurant Teratak Selera need to sell over 6,900 units for main dish in order to reach the break-even point. For financial analysis ratio and break-even analysis, for the financial analysis ratio, first is current ratio. Our current ratio is 20.59. Our quick ratio is 16.66. Cash ratio 12.66. Inventory turnover 25.27. Days inventory outstanding is 14.45. Debt to equity ratio is 0.99, and debt to asset ratio is 0.49.